Behind me is a Ford Super Duty Tremor that we just finished up in the shop. We worked with the customer to build out a package that would suit their lifestyle perfectly. It needed to be easy to drive, be able to haul building supplies and tools to the job site, comfortable to camp in, and be an absolute blast to drive off-road. To take care of the camping and sleeping situation, we installed a Go Fast camper. This is a truck bed mounted topper with an integrated rooftop tent. You can undo 2 latches. The tent opens super easy, and you can access it through both of these side doors and the removable panels that let you go through into your truck bed. For the truck side of things, we installed a full Carli pin-top suspension, and this thing's fully loaded. It's got king shocks, rear leaf springs, a front torsion sway bar, radius arms, twin steering stabilizers, a front differential guard, and all the bits and pieces from Carli that make this system mesh so well with the factory Ford chassis. We installed a 60-gallon replacement fuel tank from Transfer Flow, so this thing goes almost 1,000 miles of range. Paired with that suspension, we installed a set of 38-inch tall Toyo tires on black Rhino wheels. After building this thing, it's seriously having us consider building a new shop truck. As much as we love the Tundra, this thing's pretty rad. We're thinking an access cab long bed with a 7.3-liter Godzilla engine and a Whipple supercharger. Could be a really cool package with the big GFC on the back of it and a huge Carli kit underneath it. We're thinking a full-size desert truck. What would you change on this truck if you had us build you one?